If temperature of a black body increases from 7 to 287 degrees Celsius, then the rate of energy radiation is. So we know that temperature in the first situation is given as nothing but 7. So we can just convert it into Kelvin scale while adding 273. So we'll get the answer as equal to nothing but 280 Kelvin. Now in the second situation, the temperature is given as nothing but 287 degrees Celsius. So again we can add 273 to convert it into Kelvin scale, which is equal to nothing but 560 Kelvin. Now we know that the power radiated from an object is equal to E sigma A, temperature of object raised to 4. So then the value of power in second situation by power in first situation, we can write equal to temperature in second situation by temperature in first situation raised to 4. So you can write the value of P2 divided by P1 is equal to, in second situation it is nothing but 560, and first situation it is 280 raised to 4. So you can write it will be 2 raised to 4. 2 raised to 4 is nothing but 16. So you can write power in second situation is 16 times of power in first situation.